Kerala, known as a land of spices, has held its popularity and position in global market for the variety of spices produced, having rich flavor and fragrance. Apart from adding heavenly taste to various dishes, spices of Kerala serve as raw material in the preparation of different value-added products like essential oils, traditional medicines, perfumes, and preservatives. Due to the tough competition in the international spice trade, export of whole spices without value addition is less profitable. In this context, Government of Kerala had initiated programs on value addition and products diversification from various agricultural commodities. As an outcome, a spice processing facility for value addition of ginger and nutmeg was sanctioned to ICAR Indian Institute of Spices Research, Kozhikode, with a funding outlay of 1 crore. The objective of this facility is to handhold spice farmers for development of value-added products from ginger and nutmeg and to promote agri-entrepreneurship in spice processing through capacity building and training.
Value addition is very much important for spices. If farmer needs more money from their products, they have to turn into value addition, value-added products, and so on. So to facilitate such a move, Kerala government has come forward with a spice processing facility at this institute. I take this opportunity to thank the government, Kerala government, for facilitating funding this spice processing facility at IASR.
The facility is housed with equipments wherein spices like ginger, nutmeg rind and other similar spices can be processed at a pilot scale to produce value-added products like jams, squashes, candy, dehydrated spice products, powders and other confectionery items. A washer cum peeler of capacity 100 kg per hour for mechanical washing and cleaning of ginger, turmeric, etc. Mechanical slicer is used for producing slices of about 5 mm thickness. Dehydrated flakes can be made using these slices after drying. A fruit mill is installed to crush spices like ginger before putting the same into a colloidal mill. The machine can also be used to shred spices or vegetables into small pieces. Colloidal mill is used for the fine grinding of shredded spices into paste form, which is suitable for preparation of ginger garlic paste. Pulper cum washer. Using this, products like tomatoes can be pulped for the production of products like sauce, ketchups, etc. Screw press is used for continuous extraction of juice from ginger, turmeric, fruits and vegetables. The expelled juice is used for production of squashes, ready-to-serve beverages, etc. Open kettle and a saucener are used for concentrating of juices with the addition of sugar and other ingredients for the preparation of squashes, jams, etc. A pickle blender is available for commercial production of pickles by blending various ingredients to uniform proportion. A multi-purpose dryer for drying any agricultural products to the required moisture content, hammer mill for pulverizing spices, baking oven for preparation of cakes, cookies and pastries, packing and sealing machine are housed in the facility. Any individual or group can utilize this facility for entrepreneurship development in spice processing by entering into a Memorandum of Understanding with ICAR IASR.
Pesticides are really a nuisance for any agriculture products. So spices is not an exception. So we read a lot about contamination of pesticides in many of the agriculture products. So many times, these are all rumors or inflated reports. So we have established a pesticide analytical laboratory at this institute to study about the samples, the spice samples, how much pesticides load is there in each sample. Kerala State Horticulture Mission has come forward by funding such a pesticide analytical lab at IISR to investigate deep into this problem, to scientifically decide how much quantity of pesticides are present in spice samples across Kerala state. So I thank the government for coming forward with such a wonderful idea of establishing a pesticide lab, especially to cater to the needs of Northern Kerala.
The finished products made from this facility are analyzed for its quality at Quality Control Laboratory of IISR. The pesticide in our daily food intake is a serious threat to human health. The presence of pesticide residue in spices is a hindrance for its global export. It is therefore essential to monitor pesticide residue in spices, which are integral part of our daily food habit. State Horticulture Mission Kerala has provided a grant of Rs 2 crore for the establishment of a pesticide residue analytical laboratory at ICAR Indian Institute of Spices Research, Kozhikode. Equipments like LC-MS, GC-MS are installed for quantification of pesticide residue. Establishment of this facility is another feather in the cap of ICAR IISR. By opening these two facilities, ICAR IISR is ready to serve the farming community with added responsibility.